Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the ultimate AI for coding, thinking like a human. Claude 3.7 Sonnet has just been released, and this might be the most human-like AI ever. It's not just faster, it thinks deeper, codes better, and can even execute commands like a real programmer. Let's dive in. What's new in Claude 3.7 Sonnet? Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the latest AI model from Anthropic, featuring hybrid reasoning technology, allowing AI to respond quickly like a chatbot while reasoning deeply like a scientist. It has two modes: standard mode for fast responses, extended thinking mode for tackling complex problems and advanced coding tasks. Unique feature: you can see AI's reasoning process in real time. No more blindly trusting AI. Now you can follow its thought process step by step. Key features: checkmark AI can debug, edit code, run tests, and even push updates to GitHub. With 128,000 token processing capacity, Claude can read and analyze an entire massive project. Breakthrough feature: Claude can use a mouse, type text, and execute commands on a computer just like a human. Comparison and real-world testing pricing: $3 per million input tokens, $15 per million output tokens, pricier than GPT-4 Turbo, but its capabilities are worth it. Real-world test results: Claude successfully built a complete web application, generated business analysis reports, even played Pokemon and won battles. Is Claude 3.7 Sonnet worth it? So, should you try Claude 3.7 Sonnet? If you're a coder, data analyst, or need AI for deep work, the answer is yes. What do you think about this AI? Will Claude 3.7 Sonnet surpass GPT-4 or Gemini? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest AI updates.